Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to upload a full Instagram reel. So let's dive in. Now, it has been a problem for a long time because when you try to upload your Instagram reel, it only uploads up to 30 seconds long. And in doing this, you have to segment your reel into 30-second segments in order to post your full reel. But today I am going to show you how you can go about that and you can post a full reel. And it's actually been quite easier with the new Instagram update where you can actually post your full reel because it goes all the way up to 60 seconds. Now, if you want to create a reel, you just go ahead and click on your plus button. We can record a reel or we can choose one from our gallery. I'm just going to select a video from my gallery. And you can actually see that it is 59 seconds long, and that is a full reel. And you can go ahead and just follow the normal editing procedure. You can add effects, you can tag people, you can add stickers. So for example, I will add a sticker and I will try the add yours sticker. And I am just going to go ahead and write how's my filming. And this could inspire people to use my prompt to create more reels like me. They can use my audio or they can use the effects that I would use. And I can resize my sticker. And you can see you can just create reels very simply. I can go ahead and click on next to proceed to post my reel. You can write a caption, you can use hashtags to reach more people, and after that you can go ahead and click share. I can just write a small caption. Maybe I have been working on my filming skills. You can share your thoughts when you make reels. It is very easy and it is very encouraged. And what you want to do after that is you can click OK and you can click share. Click share and your Instagram reel will be posted, and it is only going to take a few seconds to post your reel. And that is how you do it, guys. It's so easy. With the new Instagram update, all you have to do is to just go ahead and upload your reel normally. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.